Good morning, teacher. Hi, all my classmates, and hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to talk about my family. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Sreyrieng. I'm 12 years old. I'm a single child in my family. I live in Project Village, Sreyrieng, Commune, Mesang District, Sreyrieng. I'm a student. I'm in grade 7. I study at Chankroesna High School. I like studying math, and English. I study English at school of educational training for hope in success. In the future, I want to be a teacher. Second, I want to tell you about my father. My father named Day. He 40 years old. He a builder. He work in Phnom Penh. Third, I want to talk about my mother. My mother named Boren. She 39 years old. She a housewife. She always work at home. Finally, I am grateful to grandfather Joel and my call for supporting my study. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.